Hello, this is Jake here and welcome back to my automotive channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at something me and my partner have got for our cars and storage and cleaning products. We've got storage now for some of our cars. I say some, but I thought we was thinking about it, like maybe this is a good idea or not. So without further ado, let me show you what we've got. Yep, we got a Caravan. Basically we thought, you know what, if we got 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3. The EV's just obviously to drive up here. I was like, well, why don't we use the 3rd space as something for storage where we can hang out when we're cleaning the cars and doing whatnot to them, and because we're always messing with our cars. And we started looking at caravans. We was looking at office first, but too dear. And then this one come up and it was free, and there was a reason it was free, because it was stuck big time. It was wow down in the mud. Getting to it was an issue. We had to wait until we had some nice weather like we got today, and yeah, we basically got this Caravan for free. We could have it for free as long as we cleaned up after us and what was underneath the Caravan, because it had been stood for a few years. There was bottles, sheets, all sorts like that. I was like, yeah, it's fine. So we've got this Caravan. I'm in the process now of just stripping some of the furniture out. It's not all coming out, but we just needed some space. Thankfully, it's just a case of a screwdriver, a battery driver. So it's a little bit muddy. It's a Musketeer. I know nothing about Caravans. But anyway, let's take a look inside. We even had some free steps with it. So we got your sink and cooker. Cooker is coming out. I don't want to be messing with that. Too much hard work for me. But everything you see here is just been removed using a battery driver. My dad's old faithful Makita battery driver that we've had for probably 21 years, and it's still going strong. So yeah, I've took all of this out here, but this side is staying. It's very clean. When you consider caravans, this is where it's been stood as well. It's very nice to see what condition it was in and everything, and it's very good. It could be used as a caravan again, but we're not using it as a caravan. We're using it for cleaning products and stuff like that. And we're going to kind of make it a second home, because we like messing with our cars. We've run out of room on the drive, and we thought this would be a good idea so we can spend some time up here, work on the cars, clean the cars up. There's both Alphas there. I'm not talking about the GTV at the moment because it's broke big time. We think the diff's gone, but I'll video on that soon. But yeah, so I took all this out today. It literally took about 20 minutes, if that, and I've kept as many brackets as I can. I've just got to take a couple more off the back there, because what we'll do, me and my partner is going to put a bench here with storage underneath, so we can work on stuff here, and then storage here, and then we've left this side in because we'll still use that as a seat, obviously, just somewhere we can sit. It did come with cushions, pillows, all that stuff, but it's been in the woods and it was quite clear that mice have been in here. There's droppings all over here where these chairs were, the seats here. So yeah, we're not even messing around with that. So all the stuff like that, cushions, they were all took to the tip yesterday. First tip run with the MG4, it went very well. So yeah, didn't even mess around with that, got that all gone. In here, 1 minute, let me move this table. The mice have been in here as well, but table's in there and that works and everything. It come with everything this Caravan is supposed to come with, which was really nice, because I've been in caravans when I was a kid, like holidays and that, but it's got everything it needs, which is very nice. So yeah, like I said, cooker will be coming out, eater's coming out, and the fridge is coming out. We don't need them. We ain't gonna spend too much time up here in the winter, I'm guessing, because it will be cold. But through the summer, yeah, This is gonna be a fun one. I don't know if I'm gonna paint it or do what with it yet. I don't know how well it would paint, to be honest. I might not even bother painting it. I'm just gonna put a bench in. We still gotta put on some slabs. It's not positioned perfect yet. In fact, it's actually gotta go where the GTV is, and then a cargo beside the Spider, the other side as well, the Streetwise. But all this is going to tip next run. Might have to do 2 runs because I'm not filling the MG4 all the way up because it's a brand new car. I don't want damage yet. But yeah, so this is our second home. I must do a video on our first home because where we live, but this is very nice. So we've got to make it our own. Like I said, we got a bunch of stickers, car signs that we want to put up. You know, it's gonna be covered in our own stuff. Car sign. We got, you know, the metal car signs. So I'll just be putting a few of them up. We need to get a smoke alarm for in here. There was one in here, but we'll just put a new one in. The wires didn't look too good on it. So new smoke alarm. We got fire extinguishers to go in here as well, just in case. Fire blankets, all that stuff, all the stuff you really need. Oh, I'm wearing my Shmee shirt today. Lamborghini. But yeah, so that is it. There's not really much more to show you guys. It's a Caravan. I know nothing about Caravans. All I know is it's got a wheel either side. It towed actually pretty well. All the lights and indicators worked on it, which was surprising. It's got a new battery and a new gas canister, which, yeah, okay, that's fine with me. And even there's some fluid here for the toilet, which the toilet is there. I don't know what we're doing with that yet. That'll just be storage. Obviously we're not going to use that up here because we literally live around the corner. But yep, there you go. So let me know what you guys think. And he does need a good clean. We'll give him a good clean as soon as we get a chance, but we're busy. There's something coming up here in the next couple of weeks that I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on. So make sure you guys subscribe. The GTV's got to go first, but I have something coming up here, and this is another reason we got the Caravan, because I'm going to be building something. So wow, light restoration building, you'll see soon. But yeah, there we go. There's our Caravan. There's our fleet at the moment. There's 2 more cars down the road. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon with more on our second home. Bye for now.